I'll tell you again there, guys, if you have a 100 series, sometimes on here, these can be a bit unstable now. The plastic's been out in the sun, and when you go to like take these off, you can crack them. You can see it's got a small crack in it. So is that one there. Now, that just sometimes happens. I've done like some of these in the plastics are like fine, and like some of them aren't. It's just to do with like where it's been, obviously. The conditions it's like been in. You can see those small cracks there. So what we have, replacement ones and the AC vents, because the AC vents of the original ones are actually kind of mounted in. So that's handy to have. So here you go here. So we've got them in 3 colors. We've got the yellow wood trim for the Saharas. We've got the black and we've got the yellow silver. But they're all basically the same. And we're going to take these out and replace them. So they're really handy if you have like damaged ones of these. You can just replace them and change them over. So here's the original ones. So the AC vents actually stay on, but you do need to pop these like clips off. So you got like a steel clip on the top and the bottom. You can just get a flat head under there and like pop them off, transfer them across. And then you got these like yellow ones again, just like a flat head under here, and let's lever them off. Just like catch them when they pop off, because they can fly off, and so they will transfer over to here. The AC vents obviously stay. Get new like foam on there too, which is quite like nice, so get a good seal. And then coming down here, you just need to pop off whatever you had in your switch panels in your old one. So you've just got a screw in the bottom, has to like come off, you can see here. And then you've got some clips in the top, so you down through the bottom, and you'll just be able to like lever it out. And then you put it like this way into the new one, because it slides through its 2 little holes in the top there, screws in the bottom, and you'll be like ready to put the new vents in, all looking really nice. So there we have it there, the new dash vents in, no more cracks, and just looking like the other factory ones. To be honest, they even fit better than the factory ones with the aftermarket like unit, and that could be because maybe the factory ones are bowed over time or something. But yeah, but less of a gap in here, not a gap, but like a ledge. So that's all looking good.